In today's video, I am going to teach you how to organize your Activecampaign list. A well-organized account makes it easier to send the right message to the right people, and it also keeps your reporting clean. The goal is to separate your main audiences into clear lists, then use tags to add extra detail, and finally apply those lists and tags quickly using a bulk edit. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Activecampaign, click Contacts, and then select Lists. This is where Activecampaign stores your high-level groups. Think of a list as the big container that answers, "What type of contact is this?" Keeping lists broad helps you avoid messy duplicates and confusion later. Next, click Create a List. Use this to separate primary audiences, such as leads and customers. Give each list a name that is easy to recognize at a glance, and keep your naming consistent. For example, use simple role-based names instead of campaign-specific titles. This makes automations and segments much easier to build and maintain over time. After your lists are set up, go back to the Contacts menu and click Manage Tags. Tags are best used as descriptive labels that add context within a list. They can describe interests, behaviors, sources, or status, as long as the labels are clear and specific. Use a consistent style for your tags so they stay readable, especially once you have many of them. The point is to make your contacts searchable and easy to filter without creating too many lists. Once you have lists and tags ready, it is time to apply them efficiently. Go to a view of your contacts and filter the list to show the people you want to update. Then click Bulk Edit. Bulk Edit lets you apply tags or add contacts to the correct lists in one action, instead of editing each contact one by one. Before you confirm changes, take a moment to double-check that your filter is correct, since bulk actions affect many contacts at once. Repeat that process for each main audience segment you need to organize, and keep your system simple and consistent as you grow. That covers everything you need to know.